You ready? Can you find the ball and bring it here?
Mommy, where are you?
Bring me a football. Touchdown!
Football?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bring it here. Touchdown! Okay, throw it down. Throw it here. Put it down. Now say touchdown! How do you do touchdown? Show me how you do touchdown. Touchdown! Okay, Lily's turn. Let Lily do it. No, let Lily do it. Get the ball and do touchdown.
I can do this.
Okay, watch out. Say touchdown! Touchdown!
Can I do it? How do I do a touchdown?
With your hands up in the air like that. Okay, but you gotta throw the ball down first. Alright, now you do touchdown.
Touchdown!
Yeah. Sarah, you gonna do it again?
Touchdown!
Touchdown! Yeah! Lily, you wanna do it again?
No.
Oh, okay, there you go. Lily, show me touchdown. Say touchdown! Touchdown! Let Sarah do touchdown. Okay, do touchdown. Touchdown!